Started off, nice beautiful morning, supposed to be pretty easy. I'm just gonna change a valve, right? How hard is that? Come over here, you take some screws off, pull this off, put the new part in, wham, it's done. I did it 4 times and it still leaked. So I figure, okay, now we gotta go in here and dig this out. I go to take this box out, this box that's supposed to be able to come out, and somebody drilled a hole into it and ran my wire through there. So now I gotta deal with this in my way and this in my way. And then I go to dig the thing out. This root is underneath this joker, putting up pressure, doing whatever, probably cracked the whole bottom of this thing. So now I gotta take the time to dig this thing out, get in here, and somebody left me like the smallest amount of room to put that in there because they were not thinking about the next person that came along, which is gonna be me. So I had to come over here, like this, come up over here, dig through some more roots, and what should have been 15 minutes is now 2 hours, and I'm looking like this, and the day's getting hotter. So yeah, not always as easy as it's supposed to be. But this is Todd from My Irrigation Guy. Have a good day.